What's up guys, so today I'm with a new unboxing of 3x3 lefun keychain from Cube. I just got this today only and I'm very excited. This is my first keychain and it's only of 290 rupees. I got COD. So let's unbox. Today I've changed my unboxing position just because my electricity of my house is gone. So this alright, so this oh wow. Here is the keychain, lefun keychain. Let's see what we have. Invoice, nothing inside. I'm very happy just because I got this new blue strand. So let's do that. I'm wrapping up this right now. So it's great. It's a keychain basically. So I got this. Just make it like this. So let's go with the first ones. Oh, it's not very smooth. It's really tight. I cannot execute the NEPL correctly just because it's very dry out of the box. Maybe I will lube this and tension this perfectly, then I'll show you. So guys, let's see this on the stand. So that's great because you can purchase it, but guys, make sure to just lube this and just tension this so it will just work properly. See, its tensions are very tight. So guys, it's a short unboxing, and so guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Cubing Arena. Basically it's ours. Alright guys, so bye bye.